In MongoDB, you can also write query for missing fields or fields that are null. You can see I have products collection. The first document I have item which is null. On the second document, you can see ID is 2, but item is missing here. On the third document, I have ID is 3, but we have item, which is iPhone. So we have three cases, null, missing value. If I write the comment, null case, and here we have missing value, missing field, and here have field exist. You may have use case in production when you are working with any project. You will have that type of scenario. You need to write query for null, you need to write query for missing fields, or you need to write query, does this field exist in collection or not? So find the missing item docs or null. Let's say I can write the query db.getCollection on the products. You can say find, give me the item null or missing. This item null, it's gonna return this record and this record. This check will give me the null values or the missing values. I think my MongoDB is not connected. Let's connect the MongoDB. I have created a new file, query null.mongodb.js. You can do that as well. Here you can see I got the item which is null and ID which is 3. What if I created another item? You can say ID 4 and let's say item which is null. It's gonna give me this item. You can see this item which is null and the missing field. So that works. Find the docs that have item that are not null, this one. So you can write the check for not null item. I can use the not equal operator, not equals to null. Please give me the documents which item has some value like iPhone. Let's add another item, another product. Now it should give me MacBook and the iPhone. Oops, the key is same, so let's use the different key. That looks good. Another type check filter, you can also do some filter on type check. For type check, it's gonna return the, let's use what will happen. Let's see what will happen. You can see it. I got the null values. Let's say if you want only null items, then you need to use the type operator. This one type, it represent to null. Please filter only null values. Let's say it's gonna give me all the null values. Now I will have 3 records. You can see. You can also do existence check, db.getCollection, products dot find item exist should be false. give me all the products where item does not exist. Let's see what will happen. You can see I only have like item which is a document which is 2, ID number with 2. What happen if I say give me all the documents where item exist? Here you can see item exist, maybe null or some value.